The strawberries are ready in the garden and the farmer wants strawberry shortcake for supper. So let's get those strawberries picked and then go make one of my favorite desserts. Our strawberry plants have been producing ripe fruit for about a week now, and we've been enjoying strawberries with ice cream. The strawberries are so thick this year, the berries can be a bit difficult to find, so I circled the bed twice just to get every last ripe berry. I will be thinning these strawberry plants later this year to help keep the berries healthy and to improve the harvest next year. I picked strawberries yesterday, and look how many I just got. The first step in making strawberry shortcake is to macerate the berries. This means cutting them up into bite-sized pieces and sprinkling them with a bit of sugar. The sugar attracts liquids, so it pulls the juices out of the strawberries and forms a light syrup. It doesn't take much sugar to make a lovely strawberry topping for your shortcake. Let this mixture set for 12 to 24 hours. In the meantime, let's make the shortcake. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to take longer to preheat the oven than it will take to mix the shortcake batter. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of melted butter, and 3/4 cup of milk. In a bowl, mix together the dry ingredients. Then fold in the melted butter and the milk until everything is just moistened. Do not overmix. This is a biscuit, not a kneaded bread. You are not trying to develop the gluten. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drop the batter in large spoonfuls onto the sheet. Bake for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven and transfer the shortcakes to a wire rack to cool. To put this all together, place the shortcake into a bowl and cover with the strawberries. You can add a scoop of ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a splash of half and half. I like mine with half and half because that's how my Grandma Trudy served it, so that is the perfect way. By the way, I wanted to say thank you to my friend Katie who suggested this video on how to make strawberry shortcake. I hope you enjoy it, Katie. That's really good. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Enjoy your strawberry shortcake and have a blessed week.